Hey, this is Sophia at Lashik's Dentist. Who am I speaking with?
Hey, here's Josh.
Hi, Josh. How can I assist you today? Are you looking to schedule a new appointment,
Yeah.
reschedule?
So I'm looking to schedule
Great.
for whitening.
Great. Are you a new or returning patient with us?
I would be a new patient. It's the first time.
Welcome, Josh. Let's get you set up. Could you please provide your full name, date of birth, phone number, and email address?
What you've just seen is a live voice AI agent that we installed on an existing website, which allows any visitor to talk to a medical assistant and book appointments, ask for pricing, or request follow-ups, and many more. And I'm going to show you how you can set this up and build this yourself without coding, without any complicated softwares, just one CRM. That's all. When you build your voice AI or a chat agent, then it usually looks something like this. You need a first touch point, for example, a website or a phone number for the initial voice interaction. Then it leads to the voice AI agent, which is based on any language model like OpenAI, Claude, or Gemini. And basically the same way as ChatGPT works, it requests data and follows with action. And those actions are set up in our RAG backend. In this backend, we have the whole knowledge base, the search and retrieve function, and also an action logic. The most important part afterwards is the automation and connection. And this is usually made with automation tools like Make.com, Zapier, or N8N, because those help us to reach our calendar, CRM, email, SMS, phone, and much more. So the first thing that you can see is that there are many different tools and softwares needed to make this whole thing happen. But here's how my workflow and my setup looks like right here. This is my simplified all-in-one voice AI setup. It has a website with the voice widget or any phone number or whatever. And then I have a AI-powered CRM, which is based on GoHighLevel, and it already includes my voice agent, the language model. And the good thing is I can change in between the language models as well. I have my RAG backend. I have all the tools and data requests, the calendar and scheduling, email and SMS messaging, all numbers for inbound and outbound, and even transcripts and audit logs. I basically rebuilt this website in less than 2 minutes and installed this AI voice widget while using Base 44. That's my go-to add for website development, which allows me to rebuild or just add and improve more AI features. But the website is not the most interesting part here. It's the AI voice setup. And this is what we're going to do right now. So this is CRM that we're using. As I said, this is GoHighLevel with an AI-powered integration, which is called a Solva AI. And right here, I have all my created assistants, and I can create new assistants right here. So what I did basically is I created this medical assistant here. I generated a prompt where I basically just described what the AI should do while using all the information from the existing website. This is the whole prompt right here. I implemented a calendar and some more tools and APIs right here. Scraping the website, get the availability, book appointments, create tasks, notes, and self-schedule, call the user and send emails. I can choose in between AI voices that are all powered by 11 Labs. And I can also import new voices from the 11 Labs library. I can connect my phone number or buy a new phone number because we have a Twilio integration here. Regarding the voice, I can set up the speed, response, voice emotion, and even the language processor. I can even put it to multilingual. And I can enhance my knowledge base right here, which is our dentist right here, which is the website and the risk workflow management that I also found. And automatically we've created not only a voice AI agent, but also a chat AI agent. Right here we have our chat lab, so we can test chat functions right here. And we have our voice lab, where we can test the voice. Hey, how are you?
I'm here and ready to help. How can I assist you today?
I'm looking to book an appointment.
Great. What's the reason for your visit? Are you a new or returning patient?
New patient.
Welcome. I'll need to gather some details to get you set up. Could you please provide your full name, date of birth, phone number, and email address?
I have an emergency. I'll call you back, okay?
Of course, take care of what you need to. Feel free to reach out when you're ready.
Now the connection onto a website or any other device works basically with a phone number right here that we can put in, or as I just did in the beginning, implement it on a website. I want to show you how you can build this right away. It's pretty simple. Right here, you go into widgets and you will basically see the widget right here. For example, this one was a chat widget right here. We can rename the widget, select if it's going to auto open on page load, and then we can get the code. You copy the code right here, go into our website provider, and then just implement this one. So right here, we installed the chat bot right here that we can try out already. Right here, easy as that. Now, after you've seen that, this is why I use my AI-powered CRM, which has all the tools included, which is even more cost efficient because I don't need all these tools separately to pay and subscribe. And right here, this alone would be how many? Like 6 or at least 6 to 8 different subscriptions and softwares and tools that I need. And this is just one basically. And for the website, as I'm using base, so it technically is 2 things that I use. And I don't need to code a thing, as you've seen. It's basically just copy, paste, and logics. And if you want access to this AI-powered CRM, comment or DM, and I can send you a link. And you will not only get the AI-powered CRM that I'm using, but also a free step-to-step guide on how you can set up AI into your business.